everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today's video I am talking about fake tan again. Showing you how I put my fake tan on, some little tips that I've got and what fake tan that I'm using. I have been sent some stuff from Skinny Tan. If you know me, you'll probably understand like just how happy that makes me because I am a massive fake tan lover. I've always used fake tan from a very young age. I mean, not too young, probably since I was like 15, maybe younger. Maybe I was like 14. Because I've always been very pale. I've got pale, freckly skin. I don't really go in the sun much because it just makes me burn and all my freckles pop out. And there's nothing wrong with freckles. I'm embracing my freckles, but I just don't want to sunbathe these days. So fake tan is definitely the way to go for me. I apply my fake tan at least once a week and then I might top it up with some like instant tan if I'm getting my legs out for a special occasion or anything. First, I'm just going to show you some of the products that Skinny Tan has sent and then I'm going to show you how I put it on and then what it looks like after. It's going to be a very exciting video. That is a spoon. I don't know why that's there. So this is a selection of stuff that I've got. Look at that. It's just like heaven to me looking at that. So I'm just going to quickly go through some of the Skinny Tan products that I've got. Some of them have been sent to me, but some of them I actually bought myself. I've just got a massive selection of Skinny Tan because I'm obsessed. First thing I've got, which is what I would use the day before that I put my tan on, is this pre-tan primer. So I'd use that in the shower with the exfoliating mitt. So I'll just pop that on there and then exfoliate my whole body, especially like my elbows and my ankles and stuff. And then the other side of the tanning, of the exfoliating mitt, can be used after your tan. So in case you do get any like patches around your elbows or your ankle, you can kind of just scrub it and then the tan will come off as well and it will just make it look nice and smooth. I've also got this Skinny Tan Wonder Serum, which is what I'm going to show you using, putting it on. Also got the Pro Tan Moisture Mousse, which I've been using for a few weeks now and it is amazing. It's so good. And then I've also got, which I'm really excited about these are the Protect and Glow. So it is a suntan lotion and a gradual tanner, and that comes in the lotion and the spray. So I've got the Skinny Tan Bum Booster, which I use on, funnily enough, on my bum and like around my legs. I've been trying to do that every day and it really has made my bum feel softer. So I really like that, and it smells really nice as well. I do love a good smelling lotion. And I've also got the tanning mitt and a roller, which is good for like using it on your back. It's good, like a little massager as well. That's all the Skinny Tan products that I've got. Now I'm just going to show you me applying the Wonder Serum. And let me tell you that I was not disappointed. It's like just putting silky gold sunshine on your body. Like, that is the only way I can describe it. It is amazing. But yeah, let me show you now my tanning routine of how I would put this on.
Allons plonger vers les ciels de Méditerranée. Échappons-nous vers l'horizon.
So yeah, it doesn't take me long to put it on. It's normally about a 5-10 minute process, and this little thing is really good for getting on your back. I do prefer getting Zach to put it on my back for me. It's just easier because then I know it's going to have like a nice even layer of tan on. But yeah, overall I'm so happy with this. It went on so silky smooth, like it was really easy to apply, and a little bit went a long way as well. And then after like 5 minutes it was pretty much dry to touch, so then I could put my dress on. So I would highly recommend this product. I've used this one before. This is the one I've been using for a couple weeks and I love it. It's really good, but I don't know, I think I might prefer this one now. Not sure, but the combination of both of them, you can just mix it up. Use one week, one the other week. I am in fake tan heaven a little bit right now. This one is the one that I've got on now, and I put it on probably about an hour ago now, and so this is kind of what it's looking like. I feel like I've already got quite a bronzy tan, but it does say on there it takes 6 to 8 hours to develop, and then if you want it to be darker, just put another layer on, and then the next day, well, this is what I normally do. I always leave it on overnight because I just want a really nice deep tan, and then the next day, that is when I'll wash it off. But really good thing about Skinny Tan is that all their products are cruelty free and they are vegan and vegetarian friendly, which is really important to me, which is another reason why I love Skinny Tan. The last thing that I haven't really spoke about yet is their Skinny Tan Instant Tanner. So I would use this if I was going on a night out and I just wanted that extra kind of shiny bronzy glow. It's really like silky, so you don't need a lot. Put this one all over your body. I usually just use it on my legs or my arms or my belly. You can use it everywhere. It gives you that extra glow. Perfect for a little night out. As you can tell, I love all Skinny Tan products, all the ones that I've tried anyway. I've been using them for ages, and when they said they were going to send me some products, I was just over the moon. I was so happy. So thank you so much, Skinny Tan, for sending me this stuff. I would highly recommend all of it. All of it. The only thing that I've not really used yet is the Protect and Glow, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to start using this every day, especially now it's getting a bit warmer. I'm going to be putting this on every day, and I will update you on my Instagram handle down here somewhere. So if you want to go follow that, I'm going to update on my stories on what I think of it, because it is a gradual tanner as well, so I do want to see like how much tan it gives you. I reckon it's probably just going to be a light glow, but that's perfect, especially for when you're on holiday. So yeah, if you want to see what I think of this, then go and follow my Instagram, and I will update you every other day on there on how I'm going with using it. So I've got the lotion as well, but I think I'm going to start off with the spray, because this is a 30 and the lotion I've got here is a 50. So maybe I'll put the 50 on my face and then this on my body. We'll see. I'm going to be using both of them, but I'm really excited. It's got 5 stars as well, which I think is really important. Biologically tested, and this is vegan friendly as well. So I'm so excited to use this. I kind of want to spray it on me now, just so I can see what it smells like. I'm obsessed with smells. Also, it comes out like a white lotion. And then I'm guessing, like, after you put it on, you need to make sure you wash your hands, because it's got the gradual tanner in it, just to make sure you didn't have orange hands. So that is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, I would love if you'd give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos, and I will see you in another video. Bye.